He texted first, every single day, for months. And every single day, there was silence. Sometimes the hardest truth to accept is this: the person you miss doesn't miss you back. And the more you chase them, the further they go. But what hurts the most is this: you already know it, and you still keep trying. This is the story of Adam. In a quiet town called Maplewood, there lived a young man named Adam. He had a warm smile, kind eyes, and worked at a small coffee shop on Main Street. He knew every customer's name, every order. But there was one person he could never stop thinking about: his best friend, Jake. They grew up together. Long bike rides, cold winters, big dreams, and even bigger laughter. But somewhere along the way, Jake changed. He stopped calling first. His replies became shorter, sometimes just one word. And most of the time, he was busy. And deep down, Adam felt it. Something was off. But instead of stepping back, he tried harder. Every morning, "Hey, hope you're having a good day." No reply. Or one message hours later. He asked to meet. Jake said yes, then canceled. Again and again. And the worst part, Adam still made excuses for him. Maybe he's stressed. Maybe he's going through something. Maybe I just need to be a better friend. Until one evening, everything changed. A coworker said something casually. "Hey, wasn't Jake at a birthday dinner last night? I saw it on Instagram." Adam went silent. He wasn't invited. Not even a message. Nothing. That night, he walked past the restaurant. Through the glass, he saw Jake, laughing, smiling, surrounded by new people, a new life, without him. Adam stood there for a long moment. He didn't knock, he didn't call, he just watched. And something inside him, quietly, without drama, finally understood. Later, Adam sat alone on a bench, cold air around him, silence. Above him, a broken clock hung on the wall, frozen at 7:15. It hadn't worked in years, but no one removed it. It just stayed there, stuck in a time that no longer existed. And suddenly, it hit him. Is this what I've been doing? Holding on to something that's already gone? He took out his phone, scrolled through the messages, all from him. Text after text, effort after effort, care after care, with nothing coming back. And for the first time, he saw the truth clearly. He wasn't being loyal, he was being ignored. He wasn't being patient, he was being taken for granted. He wasn't holding on to a friendship, he was holding on to a memory. And in that moment, he made a quiet decision. He locked his phone, put it back in his pocket, and chose himself. For the first time, he didn't text Jake. At first, the silence felt heavy, like something was missing, like he lost something important. But slowly, that silence turned into peace. An older customer, George, started staying longer just to talk. A neighbor, Priya, knocked one day and stayed for an hour. These people didn't need reminders. They didn't disappear. They didn't make excuses. They showed up, without being chased, without being asked twice. They remembered small things. They checked on him. They made time. And Adam finally understood something most people learn too late. The right people don't make you feel confused. They don't make you question your worth. They don't make you beg for their time. They choose you, clearly, calmly, consistently. Months later, Jake sent a message. "Hey man, I miss you. Can we catch up?" Adam looked at the screen for a long time. And for a second, the old version of him almost replied. But then he smiled, put his phone down, and made himself a cup of coffee. Not out of anger, not out of ego, but out of self-respect. Because now he knew, closure doesn't come from conversations, it comes from decisions. And peace doesn't come from people coming back, It comes from you finally letting go. The right people don't make you chase them. They don't make you feel optional. They don't make you wait. They choose you clearly, calmly, consistently. If you've ever chased someone who never chased you back, type, "I choose myself." You are not alone.